Okay, welcome back. So, to get around all the workaround issues that I have, well, the main issue I've got is I've only got 2 USB ports on the PS2. So, to fix this, the easiest way I've found is to build the HCP directly on the PlayStation 2. This is painful, so please come and join in the pain with me, I suppose. Feel free to ask any questions you'd like to fill the time in. For a bit of fun, let's put a timer up for how long this has actually been building, just so you can see how bad this really has been. Bear with me. We also need to fix that overlap on the chat log. bugs me for some reason. Okay. Let me get a timer script running and... Whew. You know you're in a bad place when building on this, on the local machines, the best solution. Okay, that's the timer there. Half 10, that's oh, it's not too bad. Okay. And that should... Oh, why is that reset it? Can I make that? Bear with me. I've still not found a great way of running a timer on a Linux host yet. So if anyone's got any suggestions for that, please let me know. To be honest, I've got time to kill, so maybe that's what I can do. Right, let's try that. Come on. Is that going to update? I think that's the best I'm going to get. Just know, whatever time that finishes on, add an hour and a half to it. Let's put a title on that. Right, make sure it doesn't cover anything up. Dee. Okay. Nice. Oh, where's that gone? There we go. One day I'll do this professionally and do it on studio so you don't see me doing it live, but you don't come to see me do it properly. Oh, what's going on there? How did I flip that? Is that it? Ah, there we go. Ah, there we go. Right, how's that for you? What I'll also do while I'm waiting is I'll set that channel point system up so you can change my laptop wallpaper. There we go. Right, create custom rewards. Right, now I know you lot will absolutely give me the worst thing ever, so while I want to give you much freedom as I possibly can, I do need to set a slight rule just so it's not full-on porn going onto my system. I need those sweet well, probably 5 cents a year in YouTube ad revenue. I'm never to get meal deals otherwise. Right now, great. 4 characters too much. I could just delete. Okay. So I can make an icon for these as well. Yeah, let me switch over to desktop so you can watch me. What the hell's this song? I have never heard of this game in my life. Right. Let's switch this over to the desktop. What we also want is that timer in there, don't we? Okay. Let's put that there. There we go. How's that looking on stream? Looks all right. Right, I think 1500 for that. Right. What's a good wallpaper icon? Oh, Deshnet. Oh, that was because I was playing Cookie Clicker earlier on. I'll spend some time us playing some of this as well. Okay. Wait, is there a... Oh, maybe... Ah, I know what I'll use. Let's find GIMP. There we go. How do you make the background transparent? Yeah, let's try it like that first. Right, so... You know, resize... Oh, transparency. Is that what I want? Color to alpha. Convert a specific... Okay. That's what I want. Is that right? Meh, let's try it. Right, now I need to resize that. It's Final Fantasy. Christ, you know you play too much Final Fantasy 8 when you recognise that straight away. Okay, scale that down. Let's export this. Absolutely awesome artwork, innit, boys? You know what I mean? Right, let's do that in documents for now. No, let's do that in pictures. Okay. I don't want that as a JPEG though. I know. Just fat fingered it. You can tell I fell asleep on my keyboard once with all these screenshots. You'd think I'd just delete them, wouldn't you? But do I have to do this manually? You're having a laugh, ain't you? Fine. Now. Right. Next, I need a 56. There we go. Scale. Wait, let's save that. I hope this works. I've never done transparency before in my life. Okay. And then I need a 28. Export as. Let's go and check how that compiling's doing while we wait as well. Oh, we've done 3 parts at the moment. Never do this. Ever do what I'm doing if there is an option not to do it. Okay, background color. Let's go for a little bit of, yeah, go for that. Let's give you a 3-day. I feel like I should only allow 1 per stream. Let's go for, yeah, let's just go for all. Feel like that's good. Right, let's start with that for now then. I think. Right, let's go and have a look. Let's go and jump on a. There we go. Well, that does actually work then. I know Lucid's going to be the first one to claim that one. That scares me after death. Okay. Where's me cookie clicker? There it is. Okay. let's jump back to full screen. I'll wait for some ideas. Right, I'll check back on this in a second. If anyone's got any ideas of things we can do to fill the time, I'm up for ideas. I don't think there's any tramps outside, but if I find one, I will do it and take a photo for you. How things are going anyway, Bell Pepper? Did you catch any of Prince's stream yesterday? I saw you joined him as a follow. Yeah, you're a few hours ahead of me, aren't you? 2 or 3? I know we worked out before. You literally redeem it and then give me the image of what you want me to put on there. You know, like nothing but technical genius, I think's the word that I'm going to say for how the system works so fluidly. You're gonna have to be creative though with how you make me look stupid in front of everyone without you know, yeah, without it just being blatant porn, I guess is the one. I actually worry about how well Lucid's gonna do on this one. I imagine there's going to be a tentacle involved somehow without going too far that I can't say no to it. Oh, I can't believe I'm compiling on actual hardware. What do I do to myself? This is like proper on hold music, isn't it? Right. Let me message Lucid on Discord. Alright, I'll make sure that's not on stream before I load it. Yeah, that's fine. Right, hang on. I wish I actually put that on. Shame? Come off it, you know my humour. I just know most of you got just as terrible as me, so you'll actually find something that would push my embarrassment levels. And not much embarrass me. Well, I probably shouldn't have my movie sites that I've got up that I was just testing. What have you walked into? Nothing. Nothing. Didn't see anything here. So basically, I set up a new channel reward now that you can set the wallpaper to my dev laptop. But because I generally oh no. How have you got 1,500 points? Is that the same wallpaper? Oh no. Wait, I wouldn't tell me how many you got. That was schoolboy error, that was. Right, hang on, let me put it on stream, you can get my reaction. I need 2 monitors. I have got a 3-monitor system, but because I'm a weirdo, it's actually set in my my VM. That's really tame. There's only one religious person I ever listened to, and that's the king himself, King Terry. Right, let me message Lucid, and I will get the laptop switched on, and then we'll set that now. Yeah, remember we were looking up what the stuff was yesterday, weren't we? I don't close down tabs, as you can tell. God, I can't even spell embarrassment. There we go. Right. Well, you know I can't pronounce things properly. Right. Let's get the laptop plugged in. Ugh. You'll love this, Luna. I've got a network PDU. No, sorry, a cabinet PDU as my extension lead in my bedroom. With mount points as well. I need to change that emote. Right, Bell Pepper. I've got one emote slot left to change. Luna's picked one. You're here, so you can pick the other one. I'm going to change that love one. And you did the world a favour only having two, Luna. We've seen you on 3. White Vest came out and everything. You're going to paint... You're actually going to make an emote. Okay, now I'm impressed. I'm not often impressed. Typical bloody Stella drinker, only attacking objects they know they can win. Okay. Okay. No one's ever made me an emote before, so... I was just expecting you to go, this is what I want. And I had to try and badly make it. I didn't realise you were going to go full Bob Ross on me. How's my cookies doing? Ooh, more wizard towers. I watched a video on Cookie Clicker yesterday, and now I'm addicted. 112 by 112 pixels. Right, let's switch this back over. Did you catch that, or do you want me to write that in chat? Alright, Luna, God, there's always one in there that's got to go full on technical with the size and everything. Nice. So that laptop that I got, Luna, was sold with a battery fault, but somehow Linux has fixed it to the point that it's been switched on in my suitcase for 2 weeks and the battery's still going. Yep. I got such a deal on this laptop. It is unbelievable. No way. It's still half charged. I feel like I've got 2 batteries in here. Is that normal for a... Oh yeah, that... Yeah, I can't believe you missed out on that deal. That was an absolute... What would it go for in the end? Wait, how do you check how many batteries you got? Is it power management? Yeah, I have. I've got a Sony battery that's got 93% left and a Sano battery that's down to 11%. Nice. What? I can't believe it. But in Windows, it wouldn't charge. So I wonder what fixed that. Anyone have any ideas what would have caused that to fix itself? Now, you don't think, because it didn't come with a charger, but I had a Lenovo charger in my drawer that they used one with the wrong voltage. No, because I used that charger in Windows and it didn't work. So yeah, maybe it is like a firmware driver or something. Yeah, maybe Linux just set something that made it work. Because I haven't really done anything to it. I haven't messed around with the BIOS or anything like that. I don't know who the best person to ask about something like that is. But I feel like you're on a... I think you might be onto the... onto an idea with that. That's what I'm trying to go for. Okay. Just realised that everything in my house for networking is going to the PS2, and someone didn't compile Wi-Fi. Bugger, how do I do this? Possibly, but if you're an eBay seller, you know a battery's going to work well, so it's worth your time doing a little bit of investigation. So you would have checked that with the original install. Bearing in mind this is a refurb person, not a just, you know, me or you selling it. So I wonder if when they got the laptop, it was buggered in that, and then they reinstalled Windows and it was still buggered. So they just assumed that was an actual battery fault. It's worth a lot of money having that stuff. Like, I can't see why you wouldn't bother. Nah, this is... They didn't even wipe it with a cloth, to be fair, I don't think. They just got the laptop in a usable state. Okay. Is this safe to show on stream? Okay, get my reaction. What the hell is that? proper... Is that proper dingus, mate? You know what the worst part of this is? It actually looks like I wrote that myself, because that's actually easier to read than my own handwriting. Paint.net? Do you not know what stream you're on? Alright, no need to flex on us how good you are. Have I got that? Follow emotes. How do I even get this? Right, we're going to have a look at that in a second. Right, let's get rid of that one. No, right, remove some slot. There we go. I need to have a look at how you do a an animated one. Right, is that working? Oh, I haven't put a name on. Oh, it is there. It's just black. Didn't want to say. Okay, I think that's it. Right, that's now on. Oh, they've accepted my EA one. We still need a 5k reward. What's something that's overpriced, quite useless, and still funny that someone would waste their money on? Cisco licenses, fucking hell, no way. That's, they make EA look cheap. Hey, Cisco have got a great use though, and that's doubling your salary. An Apple monitor stand. Oh. I kind of like the Windows logo thing, but the only issue with that is people actually believe that we don't like Windows, rather than just being the joke that it is. Let's go for a classic though. Oh, how about that? I feel like that designed for Windows 98. Man, let's say the compatible Windows Server that seems so easy to manage that I can see why people pay the money for it. You must save a fortune in labour costs. Ah, this one. Oh yeah. Right. I know you get good Windows admins, so obviously this is just generalization, but you can charge a lot less for a Windows admin than you can for a Linux one. That one. Right. Everyone else agree? Which one? This one or this one? One for this one, two for that one. Yeah, I like the Mac Stand Pro, but it just doesn't work on its own outside of this joke right now. A monitor? Well, technically they're not wrong. That's oh, we've moved forward. Right, let's do a poll. Okay, 2 minutes, off you go. I do wonder if Windows 11 is going to be the new Vista. I will set that wallpaper up for you in a second as well, bell pepper, I pretty promise. I've just got to figure out a way of doing it. well, I'll say if they did it so Windows 10 worked alongside, it'll be fine because it'll just be a general evolution to better security. But doing it now, is just killing good hardware. In my view of why people didn't like Vista, Luna, was the fact that it wasn't that people didn't like the redesign, because everyone liked the look of Vista. It was more the fact that the computers weren't ready for it at the time. So you basically had to shell out for a new computer. It's where like the conspiracy theories came out that Microsoft were in bed with computer manufacturers trying to get people to upgrade for no reason. Oh, yeah, the original UAC was god awful. I mean, great idea. Needed to come out. But they did, well, again, though, I don't think that was completely Microsoft's fault, though, and more that programs just didn't update. So to run run a basic program, you had to become an administrator. So we basically just taught the average user to click yes. I haven't gone that far in the rabbit hole yet. But that's kind of why I think Vista's going to be... sorry, Windows 11's going to be that Vista thing. It's just that people don't understand it's an issue yet. And they won't until 2025. Made for Vista wins. Really? I've never met a person that actually clicks through that. Not now they've put it under an extra step anyway. Because you have to, I think, does it click twice now? It's been a while since I've used Chrome. The badge pixel size? What's that? Right,